Hello student, this is for class 7th, subject information technology. Students, today I am going to give you a revision of chapter 1, that is number system. So far we have revised the whole topic of the chapter 1, but now today I am going to give you a revision of exercises and a quick summary of the chapter. So let's start now. A quick summary of the chapter and the revision of exercises. First we have the points at a glance as a summary.
Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. The commonly used number system is decimal number system with the base 10. The binary number system consists of two digits, that is 0 and 1, and has the base 2. You can perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers. The octal number has the base 8. The hexadecimal number has the base 16.
So these are the key points discussed in the chapter, or you can say a quick summary of the chapter. First point, the commonly used number system is decimal number system with the base 10. It means the number system which we use in our daily life, that is decimal number system. Second point, the binary number system consists of two digits, that is 0 and 1. Hence, it has the base 2. Third point, you can perform arithmetic operation on binary numbers. Means binary numbers can be added, can be subtracted, can be multiplied, or can be divided. Fourth point, the octal number has the base 8. Why? Because it has 8 digits from 0 to 7. Fifth point, the hexadecimal number system has the base 16. Why? Because it has 16 characters, 16 digits, that is 0 to 9 decimal numbers and A to F 6 letters. That's why its base is 16. Now let's proceed for the exercises.
Fill in the blanks.
Yeah, first exercise, fill in the blanks. So we can click on the hints and accordingly we can fill. The base of binary number system is 2. Check the answer. Second, the base of dash system is 10. So it is decimal number. Here we can fill decimal number. Decimal number. Then we have octal number system consists of how many digits? 8 digits. Fill 8. Fourth, in binary addition 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Fifth, the dash number system is understood by the computer system. It is binary number system. Next, dash uses 16 symbols to represent numbers. So it is hexadecimal. Next is, in binary subtraction 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Next exercise.
State true or false.
The decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. Yes, it is true. Next, the method to perform division of two binary numbers is not same as that of decimal number. It is false. It is same. Next, 1 multiplied by 0 equals to 1. It is false. It equals to 0. Next, Charles Babbage introduced the concept of 0. It's false. Aryabhat has introduced. Next, the numbers used in octal number system are 1 to 7. It is false. These are 0 to 7, not 1 to 7. Now the next exercise.
Multiple choice questions.
Multiple choice questions. First, dash introduced the concept of 0. So it is Aryabhat. Second, dash converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. So it is digital computer. Third, a computer understands only binary language. Fourth, in binary multiplication, 1 into 1 equals to 1. Fifth, to perform division on binary number, divide the number by 2. But actually, if you think about this question, so this question is wrong. Fifth question is wrong, because if we perform binary division, so we do not divide by 2. We divide by the binary numbers only, that is 1, 1 or 0, 0. So this question is wrong. Here should be written that to convert into binary number, divide the given number by 2. Then it is correct question. But this question is wrong. Remember this.
Online links.
So that's all for today, students. Thank you.